Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is the smallest digit at the 100,000th place of the number, and we have given one number that will make the number divisible by 9 is. By divisibility test of 9, if the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 9, then the original number is divisible by 9. Here we have given the number 95218. Suppose the digit means 100,000th place digit be x. So the number be x 95218. So x plus 9 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1 plus 8, that is 25 plus x is divisible by 9. So to make the number is divisible by 9, to make x plus 25 divisible by 9, x plus 25 will be 27. That should be greater than 25. So 27, 36 and so on, as we have to find the smallest digit. So to get smallest digit, x plus 25 should be 27. So x will be 27 minus 25 means 2. Hence, the number is the resulting number be 2952118.